Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show a special unique concept. I know after a long time doing this face cam video, okay, and today I'm going to bring a special bad guy concept along with a dripping effect as it's trending nowadays, okay. And you can just follow my video and download the background link in the description and page links. I'll give link in the description, okay. If you want to follow my Instagram, I'll give Instagram link in the description. You can follow there. By using the PicsArt, I am going to edit this type of unique and stylish tutorial. Now let's check the video without wasting time. Friends, if you are first time watching my video, please press like, subscribe and share to your friends. Let's check into the video. Friends, first of all you have to open PicsArt application, okay, and after this tap on this plus icon and you have to scroll down and you have to go to pick canvas. You can see here pick canvas, and after in this pick canvas you have to select anything, okay, white background. Now arrange it like this, tap on this arrow, go to edit image. Now after this directly you have to go to tools, go to crop, and you have to scroll down this crops and tap on this YouTube, okay. Now tap on tick, perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to add your model image, the portrait model image, and before only you have to cut the background. I already did the image which you cut before. This is the model image I cut the before editing this tutorial, okay. Now arrange perfectly in the center like this, okay. Arrange perfectly center like this. Now go to add photo and select the dripping PNG. Friends, this is a dripping PNG. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to go to blend and you have to make it screen. Now you have to arrange it dripping perfectly like I am doing in the video. Arrange perfectly like I am doing in the video. And it is perfect, friends. Now by using this, tap on this model image and by using this eraser, you have to erase on the bottom portions like this. Perfect. Now tap on it. Now I am going to change the model shirt color. For this you have to go to FX. In this FX you have to go to colors and tap on this color replace and tap this gesture to the any color, and you have to, by using this you have to simply change the color, okay, this replace hue, okay. Now by using this eraser I am going to erase the unwanted parts here like this, and by using the brush you have to fill the portions which is unfilled, okay. Remember friends, you have to, by using this eraser tool, you have to erase on the unwanted parts. Friends, it will take so much of time, friends. This is a big tutorial. I hope you enjoy and do for your model image, and it's very nice tutorial, friends. Okay, now perfect. Now tap on it. Next part is I am going to add the wings, okay. Go to add photo and select the wings. Friends, these are the two wings. First of all I am going to keep this wing aside and I am going to arrange this wing perfectly like this in this position, and I am going to stretch it a little bit and arrange perfectly in this portion like this. Now by using this eraser I am going to erase. By using this pencil tool you have to fill it back. You have to do it carefully, okay. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap this feather wings and go to flip off and rotate it to this side, and you have to arrange this also in this portion like this perfectly, okay. Perfect. Now again by using this eraser you have to erase like this, and by using this brush tool you have to fill it back. Friends, it is tutorial, so I am going to do in very fast, but when you are editing do it carefully, okay, and outcome will be very nice for you, okay. Perfectly I erase, okay, done. Perfect, friends. Now I am going to add colors to the wings, okay. Go to add photo and select the PNG. First of all I am going to add red PNG on this side, you can your wish. Now go to blend and make it overlay, okay, and zoom out and arrange perfectly in this portion. By using this eraser you can erase on the model image. tap on tick. Now again go to add photo and select another color PNG, and this time I am going to blend and make it overlay and arrange perfectly on this side. Perfect. Now tap on it. Now I am going to add crown on the head. Go to add photo and add the crown on the head like this. Done. Now tap on it. Now I am going to add bad guy text change. I will give every link in the description. Bad guy. Okay, these are the one I am going to add this side, add another one I am going to add this side. Okay, try to bring closer like this. Perfect friends. Now tap on it. Now I am going to add shadow to the model image. Go to add photo and add the shadow effect to the model image. Perfect. Bring a little closer. Perfect friends. Like this you have to add it. Now tap on it. Now I am going to add another effect. This is the PNG zoom out and zoom out like this perfectly and decrease a little opacity. Perfect. Now by using this eraser you have to erase everything on the model image. Okay, this is a type of Lomo effect. Okay. Perfect. Now tap on tick. And finally I am going to add one more last PNG, frame PNG. Go to add photo. This is a frame PNG. Now simply zoom out perfectly and arrange perfectly in this portion like this. Okay, done. Now by using this eraser tool you have to erase these unwanted parts. Perfect. Tap on tick. Now again go to add photo and select this, repeat the same procedure. This time I am going to add on the right side. Okay, same procedure you have to arrange on the right side. And now by using this eraser tool you have to erase these unwanted parts. Friends, I am doing very fastly, but when you are editing for your image you do slowly. Friends, finally our editing is done. Now go to tools, go to adjust, increase a little saturation like this, and by using this eraser you have to erase on the face and hands, increase a little highlights. Okay, give a little clarity, and you have to decrease a little shadow, give a little shadow. Okay, decrease a little shadow. Perfect. Friends, finally our special concept is completed, but I did a little mistake. You can see I have to write the bad before and guy on right side, but I did a little mistake. No need. When you are editing your image, don't do this type of mistake. Okay, I am in a hurry, so I did it wrong. Now finally I completed. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image and have fun. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends if you really enjoy this tutorial. See you next video with new concept.